The first tool under Calculators on the main menu is the rain table. You can pick a date range, for example April to October, and it will show you daily precipitation and accumulated precipitation. Next, you can view the rain chart, which is a visual version of the rain table. Annual rain takes the period of record for the weather station and calculates the average annual rain, seen in black, and compares that to the current rain events as well as accumulation. Next are 3 pages that show evapotranspiration calculators. The ET table is the amount of water that a plant will use in the current conditions. The ET chart shows the same information but in a visual format. ETO stands for grass and ETR is alfalfa. Annual ET shows annual evapotranspiration. Next we have the wind rows tab, which shows the average wind intensity and direction. The wind run is wind speed times time. The wind run affects the amount of water that is being used by each plant. The wind chill heat index uses calculations based on temperature, dew point, and humidity in order to identify the real field temperature. The first tool under crop models is the chilling hours calculator. Certain plants require a certain amount of chilling hours. You can enter your chilling base temperature at the top of the page, and the graph will show how many hours have accumulated under the temperature you have set. Again, you can choose your start and end date at the top of the page. Next, we have degree days. This shows the number of degree days for a period specified by you. Degree days are calculated by dividing the mean temperature by 2 and subtracting the base temperature. You can set your base temperature as well as your upper limit temperature at the top of the table. By tracking degree days, it is possible to estimate when developmental stages of different plants will take place, as well as allow growers to estimate for possible development of pests and diseases. The grape cold hardiness is a model that is based on measured cold hardiness of grapevine buds collected at Prosser, Washington. This model predicts critical low temperatures for grapevine bud cold hardiness based on the lowest temperature recorded at an AgWeatherNet station. If the temperatures reach a critical low in the year, the grape will not develop properly during the growing season. The cherry cold hardiness and apple cold hardiness are similar to the grape tool, however, we do not currently have enough data to create this model. The wheat yield shows a model based on available soil water. This model uses our weather data to track rainfall and helps growers make a decision of whether to plant summer wheat or winter wheat. Apple Stages is a tool that is currently in development. It shows growing degree days for our stations, as well as the growth stages that the apple has gone through. You can pick your weather station, the year, and the apple variety, and it can go through and estimate when each stage is happening based on our weather data. Under Irrigation on the main menu, we have the Irrigation Scheduler and Water Use. The Irrigation Scheduler allows you to add your own fields by creating a name and a year, selecting a weather network, a station, your crop, and the soil type in order to create a field. Once a field is created, you can browse the various graphs in order to know when and how much to irrigate your field, depending on your crop. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and feel free to contact us if you have any questions.